Sprinter, crank no start, suspected fuel pump. So basically when you put the ignition on, we should see ignition on, we should see fuel at the pump, at the filter basically, and we have none. So what I've done is I checked the fuses and I checked the control meaning the relay. The relay is under the seat. There's this one here, and this is the terminal that goes to the pump, and as you can see we have 12 volts, well 18.8. If we take the ignition off, we have 0. But another let's say indication that we have an open is on this terminal we should see ground provided by the pump, by the winding in the pump. So this should have turned green. My probe should have turned green. So this indicates it's open between the relay and the pump. Now if I go underneath the vehicle and I go on the same wire, so this is the wire that comes from that relay, and we should see here, right, we should see 12 volts and we see nothing. We have ground. That means the fuel pump is okay, but we don't have 12 volts here. If I apply 12 volts here, we should hear the pump running and we should see some diesel leaking. Put on the inside because I'm not touching. Let's see, there we go. That means the fuel pump is working. We just have an open between here and inside the cabin. Now I need to speak with the customer to see what decision he's gonna take, because I'm thinking, seeing these brake lines, they're not original. At some point the fuel tank was off because they go behind the tank, and also the wire that we need is also going behind the tank and inside the cabin. So I'm guessing whoever did the brake lines catch that wire between the tank and the chassis, and that's why we have the open. But I will speak with the customer, see what he wants to do, and if he wants the cheap version, I'm gonna pull a wire from that relay straight to here to have control, and we call it a day. If not, we need to drop the tank and actually search for the broken wire. Okay, due to the condition of the vehicle and the mileage, the customer decided not to investigate that wire, and we just went through with getting a wire straight from the control side, which is that yellow connector that goes into the relay. So basically we just replaced the broken wire without searching where it is, as this would have taken longer and would have been involved more costs. So we pull a wire through there. That's the purple wire, goes under battery tray, so everything is nice and tucked inside. Having the least amount of wire on the outside helps. And this is the wire that goes into the feed pipe. So if everything is correct, when we're gonna put ignition on, we should see fuel on that filter. Okay, I need to be quick because it's gonna be a mess. So there we go. Done and done.